Welcome to Mad Cat English. Today's lesson is an introduction to adverbs of manner. My name is Maria, and I'll be your teacher for today. So let's go ahead and get started. She is walking. They are walking. But are they walking in the same way? If we look at the pictures, we can guess no. She is walking quickly, and they are walking slowly. So in these sentences, quickly and slowly are adverbs of manner. We use adverbs of manner in order to describe how an action is done. So if we look back at our sentences, we see quickly describes how the woman is walking. Slowly also describes how the couple is walking. When forming adverbs of manner, we can take most adjectives and simply add on ly to form the adverb. These are our regular adjectives. We also have some adjectives that already end in l. For these, we can also just add ly, so you end up with two l's before your y. For adjectives that end in y, we drop the y, change it to I, and then add ly. And we have some irregular adjectives. So good changes to well in the adverb form, and then far, hard, and fast stay the same. When using of adverbs of manner, we want to keep in mind that they answer the question, how? So in our picture, we can see that this woman is in her car. So we can ask, how does she drive? We want to know the manner that she drives. And we can say, she drives carefully. So as we see, carefully answers the question, how? Now if we take a look at this boy doing his homework, we see he has a big smile on his face. So if we take our question, how did he do his homework? We can answer, he did his homework happily. Again, happily answers the question, how? So now that we have an idea of how to form our adverbs of manner and when to use them, let's try it out by choosing the correct adverb of manner to answer each question. So first, let's take a look at our picture. We see, how is it raining? Heavily or lightly? Well, based on the picture, we can see it is raining heavily. And now we see, how is she dressed? Casually or formally? Well, again, based on the picture, she is dressed casually. Okay, let's try it out some more. This time, choose the correct adverb of manner to answer each question for yourself. So you need to think about what is true for you. So for example, how do you write? Neatly or sloppily? Well, for myself, I can say I write neatly. You need to think of a sentence that is true for yourself. How do you sing? Beautifully or horribly? If I answer for myself, I can say I sing horribly. How do you speak? Loudly or softly? Well, in general, I think I speak softly. And how do you do your work? Diligently or lazily? I do my work diligently. How about you? Okay, now that we've had some practice with our adverbs of manner, let's test our knowledge with some editing. We want to correct the mistakes using the adverbs of manner in the following sentences. Please drive safe. The correct way to say this is please drive safely. Now, you will hear people say, please drive safe. This is a very common mistake. Many people don't even realize it's a mistake, but if you want to be grammatically correct, the correct way is to use the adverb of manner, which is safely. My father snores is very loud. The correct way to say this is, my father snores very loudly. We want to keep in mind that we use our adverbs to describe verbs. So here, snores is a verb. It's not a noun. So we don't want to follow it with another verb. Instead, we want to follow with our adverb. I always try honestly to speak. The correct way to say this, I always try to speak honestly. So we changed the word order to put honestly at the end to make it clear that we are describing how I speak and not how I try, right? Because both try and speak are verbs here. So we need to make sure it's clear which verb we are modifying in this case by putting it after speak. Everyone in class speaks English good. The correct way to say this, everyone in class speaks English well. Right? Because again, speak is the word we are trying to describe, and speak is a verb, so we need to use the adverb well. Good is an adjective, so we don't use good to describe verbs. He eats healthy because he wants to lose weight. The correct way is he eats healthily because he wants to lose weight. This is another one that is a very common mistake. Many people use the adjective healthy when they should use the adverb healthily. But again, if you want to be grammatically correct, you should make sure to remember to use healthily when describing the verb eats. Okay, that was our brief introduction to using adverbs of manner. If you liked this lesson, I hope you will subscribe to my channel and click like or share it with your friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments box below or send me an email at madcatenglish@gmail.com. And again, my name is Maria. Thank you for joining us today. And my own Mad Cat Brow and I wish you mad English. Until next time, bye.